In 2008, the world met Bitcoin. It was a time of financial crisis, and trust in traditional banking systems was at an all-time low. People were looking for alternatives, and Bitcoin emerged as a beacon of hope. It was a new idea, a revolutionary concept that promised to change the way we think about money and transactions. A digital currency, free from banks and governments. It was designed to be decentralized, meaning no single entity could control it. The creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, wanted a fairer system. A system where power was distributed among the people, not concentrated in the hands of a few. A system where people controlled their own money. Bitcoin used cryptography. This cryptography ensured that transactions were secure and that the currency could not be counterfeited. This is the art of secret codes. These codes are what make Bitcoin unique and trustworthy. These codes made Bitcoin secure. Every transaction was verified and recorded, ensuring transparency and trust. Transactions were recorded on a blockchain. This blockchain acted as a public ledger, visible to everyone. This is a public ledger, like a digital book. Every transaction ever made with Bitcoin is recorded here, making it impossible to alter or delete. Satoshi's vision was clear financial freedom for everyone. Bitcoin was decentralized. It promised a world where people could transact freely, without interference from banks or governments. No single entity controlled it. This was revolutionary. It marked the beginning of a new era in finance, one where power was truly in the hands of the people. If you enjoyed this journey into the birth of Bitcoin, make sure to subscribe to the Finance Snap channel for more insights into the world of finance and cryptocurrency. At first, Bitcoin was just a small community. It was a niche interest, primarily among tech enthusiasts and cryptography experts. These early adopters were fascinated by the idea of a decentralized currency, free from government control and traditional banking systems. They saw Bitcoin as a revolutionary technology that could change the world. Tech enthusiasts and cypherpunks saw its potential. They believed in the power of cryptography to create secure, private transactions. This small but passionate group began to experiment with Bitcoin, mining it, trading it, and discussing its future possibilities. They mined Bitcoin using their computers. In the early days, mining was relatively easy and could be done on a personal computer. Miners were rewarded with new Bitcoins for solving complex mathematical problems, a process that required significant computational power. Mining is like solving complex puzzles to earn Bitcoin. These puzzles are cryptographic hash functions which are difficult to solve but easy to verify. The process ensures the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network. In 2010, a programmer made history. Laszlo Hanyecz, a Florida-based programmer, made the first real-world transaction using Bitcoin. This event marked a significant milestone in Bitcoin's journey from a theoretical concept to a practical currency. He bought 2 pizzas with Bitcoin. This transaction was a pivotal moment, demonstrating that Bitcoin could be used to purchase real goods and services. It was the first real-world transaction. The pizzas were purchased for 10,000 Bitcoins, a seemingly exorbitant amount today, but at the time, it was a groundbreaking achievement. The pizzas cost 10,000 Bitcoins. Today, those Bitcoins would be worth millions of dollars, highlighting the dramatic increase in Bitcoin's value over the years. Today, that's worth a fortune. As Bitcoin gained popularity, its value began to skyrocket. Early adopters who held onto their Bitcoins saw their investments grow exponentially. As more people joined, Bitcoin's price started to rise. Exchanges appeared. These platforms allowed people to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin easily, further increasing its accessibility and popularity. People could buy and sell Bitcoin easily. The emergence of exchanges made it possible for anyone with an internet connection to participate in the Bitcoin economy. The world was taking notice. News outlets began to cover Bitcoin more frequently, and its potential impact on the global financial system became a topic of widespread discussion. Bitcoin's price has been a roller coaster. It has seen incredible highs and scary lows. In 2017, the price went parabolic. It reached almost $20,000. What caused this explosion? Media attention played a role. Everyone was talking about Bitcoin. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, drove people to invest. Institutional investors also got involved. Companies and hedge funds saw Bitcoin's potential. They started buying large amounts. This pushed the price even higher. Section 4. Growing pains, security, regulations, and volatility. Bitcoin's journey hasn't been easy. There have been challenges along the way. Security is a concern. Hackers have targeted exchanges, stealing millions. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate Bitcoin. Some countries have embraced it, others have imposed restrictions. This uncertainty can affect the price. Volatility is another challenge. Bitcoin's price can swing wildly in a short period. This can be exciting for traders, but it makes some people nervous. Section 5. Bitcoin's impact, a new financial era. Despite the challenges, Bitcoin has had a huge impact. It has shown the world the power of decentralized systems. It has inspired countless other cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. Bitcoin is a wake-up call to traditional financial institutions. It offers an alternative to the current system, a system that is more open, transparent, and accessible. More and more businesses are accepting Bitcoin. Payment processors are integrating it. Bitcoin is slowly becoming part of our everyday lives. Section 6. The future of money. What's next for Bitcoin? What does the future hold for Bitcoin? No one knows for sure. The cryptocurrency landscape is ever-changing, and Bitcoin, being the pioneer, is at the forefront of this evolution. As we look ahead, we can only speculate on the myriad possibilities that lie in store for this digital asset. Some believe it will become a global reserve currency. This would mean Bitcoin could potentially replace traditional fiat currencies, offering a decentralized and universally accepted form of money. Imagine a world where Bitcoin is the standard for international trade and finance, transcending borders and political constraints. Others think it will remain a niche investment. In this scenario, Bitcoin would continue to be a valuable asset for those looking to diversify their portfolios, much like gold. It would serve as a hedge against economic instability and inflation, providing a safe haven for investors. One thing is certain: Bitcoin has sparked a revolution. It has introduced the world to the concept of decentralized finance, challenging the traditional banking system and offering new ways to transact and store value. This revolution is not just about money, it's about the democratization of financial power. It has challenged our assumptions about money and finance. The very idea of a currency not controlled by any government or central authority was once unthinkable. Bitcoin has made us rethink the fundamentals of what money can be and how it can function in a digital age. It has given us a glimpse into a future where technology empowers individuals. With Bitcoin, people have more control over their financial destinies. They can send and receive money without intermediaries, participate in global markets, and protect their wealth in ways that were previously impossible. The journey of Bitcoin is far from over. As technology continues to advance, so too will Bitcoin. Innovations in blockchain technology, scalability solutions, and regulatory developments will shape its path forward. The potential for growth and adaptation is immense. It will continue to evolve and surprise us. Just as it has done over the past decade, Bitcoin will likely undergo transformations that we can't even imagine today. Its resilience and adaptability will be key to its future success. The next chapter is yet to be written. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: Bitcoin's story is still unfolding. Whether it becomes a global currency, remains a niche investment, or takes on a role we haven't yet conceived, its impact on the world of finance is undeniable.